Prime Minister Narendra Modi today dedicated three major infrastructure projects worth over 4,000 crore rupees to the nation at a function held at Wellington Island in Kochi this afternoon. President Draupadi Murmu will grace the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Karbi Youth Festival at Tarang Langso near the Karbi Anglong district headquarters of Difu in Assam today. Fitch Ratings has said that India is poised to remain one of the fastest growing economies in the world in the next few years. Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar has said that the deep decisive transformation has taken place for young Indians under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In hockey, India will take on Germany in the semi-finals of the FIH Women's Olympic qualifiers in Ranchi tomorrow.